What is the maximum speed air could move down a 12.2 centimeter diameter duct and have a laminar flow? Oh, let's see. Okay. So we want R. Let's just set R to be 1,000, right? So 1,000 is equal to some velocity times the radius is 0.061. Is that right? It'd be sad to get it wrong. 12 point. Yeah, that's right. Okay, let's see. The density of the air is 1.29. And then we're going to divide by the density of, or the viscosity of air, sorry. E minus 5. Okay, so 1,000 times 1.81 E minus 5 divided by 0.061 divided by 1.29 is equal to, V is equal to 0.230 meters per second. It's not very fast. So does that mean that like most ducts have turbulent flow down them? I guess, right? We just don't. We deal with it. Turbulent flow is okay. All right, good enough.